everybody, and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name is Laura, and I've got the lovely Alison with me today.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, you?
Yes, I'm good. I'm excited.
And I am. These bundles are amazing. And this one is just amazing. Do you know, when you look at it and you see how much you get, but then you see the value and the price of this bundle is amazing.
I just think 3 craft kits turning up at your door in one go. How exciting is that?
Where do you start?
We get excited with one craft kit.
I get excited with one thing.
What have we got?
So should we do
a quick look?
So this is number 40.
Yes.
Yes.
So you've got all your Nouveau, you've got your papers, you've
Do you want me to put
your...
Yeah. You're like, how you doing in the box?
I'm struggling to see over here. You've got your dies. This makes a gorgeous little box. You've got your stamps added in. I mean, your stamps go on anything.
Yeah.
From cards to boxes to scrapbooking, anything. So that's a lovely little set. So look at it.
So you get
loads
all of your
papers.
cards. So everything that you normally expect that you get in the
It's
craft
all
kit
you.
is all in there. You've got
It's not a part kit. It's a full kit.
That'd be great now for your Christmas wrapping.
Love it. We've got crackle paste.
Your Nouveau, you've got your glitter, you've got everything. A really lovely one. So that's going to be a great one for
and
your
stickers.
And your stickers.
You know you love a sticker.
That's a lovely one there.
So that's your first.
So then we're going on to the next one, which I think is
This
39.
is 39. So you've got a folder. This is one of my favourites of all time, and I'm really surprised this is you. So you've got a folder to keep it. Oh.
So you get your folder to keep it in. Really nice binder there.
That was the words that were going to come out and didn't.
Then you've got your die set.
These are the beautiful roses. Lovely. I love this.
Really nice.
Absolutely
all
stunning.
Year round.
Paper piece.
Lovely one.
Paper piece your heart out. Even the stamps are absolutely... Whoops. Let me pop them onto there so you can have a good look. Look at the stamps. They are stunning. So we've got have a lovely day, thinking of you, thank you, on your wedding day and on your birthday.
I love it.
Gorgeous. You've got card blanks, so you're set, off to go. We've got a small sparkle spray. We've got some glitter, shimmer pen.
Did something fell over, doesn't it?
All the drops that I nearly lost.
And then
and
all
then
of
your
your
gorgeous cards
as well.
So we're all pinks, greens, and
look at that.
Isn't that lovely?
Get ready for spring.
And a bit of cream. Awesome. Awesome. Look, you can have all your cards ready for your friends for spring, all done over Christmas. So that's the next one.
So then the next kit is kit number 30.
Yeah.
So don't forget, you are getting the 3 of these. You haven't got to pick, you're getting all 3 of them. So then you've got your binder again. Put that in.
This is all about the words. Look at me trying to lean over this. Let's fold that down. My arms are just not long enough. So we have our sticker. And we have all sentiments in here. So whatever your occasion, it's going to be covered.
Oh, they're lovely.
They are beautiful. And the stamps will match the word
down a little. There you go.
There we go. It's me leaning up against myself.
It's because the box is pushing us out now.
Backing dies for everything.
They're lovely, they are. Oh my God!
Look at the dinky. You squeaked that one out.
Oh, I would keep that bottle. I don't know what I'd use it for, but I'm keeping that bottle.
That is amazing. I
see
love
we've got
the
a little gem
dinkies.
on the top. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I might have had a funny 5 minutes.
So our stamps have got anniversary, birthday, little one to say, especially with love for you, and some kisses. And the big dies match all those.
You've even got your markers in here. So you've got the markers. We've got one of the... Is this the glitter one?
That, I think that's Aquaflow.
Aqua one.
It's a nice creamy colour.
Nouveau
Deluxe.
Wow.
Wow, I don't even know if that's in stock at the moment.
I don't think it is, because the other day I seen Geordie and I was like nagging her for some and she didn't have any.
Oh, didn't she?
Yeah. Most.
That's a lovely colour as well. They are your gems, you stick on
Lovely,
gems.
they are. And then
And your papers.
all of your papers.
Again, this is another very spring-like one. So we've gone your golds, your blues, ivories. Gorgeous colours. Bit of lemon in there. Set for spring.
Lovely.
And the name is Spring Sentiments. So that's another fab one.
Right, so that is kit 30. So those are the 3 that you will get if you are in the UK. Now, if you're in the US, you are going to get kit 40 and 30, the 2 that we just showed you. But your third kit will be this one, which is number 28.
This was another one I loved. Come here, hogging this. So let's show you the dies first. This was another little box. And this was a little heart box. And this was really, really popular on its launch. So I'm surprised there's any of these left as well. So we've got some lovely little stamps there. Let me have a little read here. Happy Mother's Day, the perfect mum. Happy Valentine's Day. Together forever. I love you.
Aww.
Thinking of you. Get sent with love.
And you've got some flowers and hearts in there as well.
Beautiful. Loved making these. Absolutely loved them.
So you've got a really big tab here of your glitter paste, which is lovely in that black. Then you've got your gold glitter.
We're all golds and blacks this time. So this is your embossing powder in the gold, classic gold.
Then you've got your paste, again, which is kind of like a dark grey colour.
It's almost like a gunmetal grey.
Yeah, it is.
Gorgeous.
That's really lovely.
Adhesive tape runner. And
another
thing.
Another little gift.
I know. It's fab.
Do you know what? Just saying, these 2 are going to go missing.
You've got one of those 6x6 pads.
Look at that.
Oh, this is one of my favourite papers. I'm saying this all the time today. You know, if you don't want a craft background, put your Aquaflows on it. It'll cover the background, but then you polish it off.
With the gold foiling.
Stunning.
Really lovely.
Love these.
They are really lovely.
Same with this one, if you didn't want a craft background. And your spotty. So this is one of my all-time favourite books.
And then you have got your card in here as well. And you can see your different one.
So you've got pearl, glitter, matte, iridescent.
But
lovely
selection there. And then, of course, your
sticker
as
sent
well,
with love,
which is amazing. So if you are in the UK, you are going to get that kit 40, 39 and 30. Now, the price on this should be £105,
wow,
which is amazing when you look at everything you've got.
Yeah.
But you are going to be paying $49.99.
Get off.
For the 3 kits. If you are in the US, it is kit 28, 30 and 40 that you're going to get that we've just shown, which should be $119.97, but is going to be $59.99.
That is amazing.
So amazing value. You're saving 52% on these, which is crazy.
That
when
is
you look
really
at how much
crazy.
You're getting in that anyway.
And they are not NAF kits. Not that any of ours are NAF, but they are favourites of mine here. So I'm hoping you were going to enjoy them just as much.
Right. So our next bundle, should we do the glitter card first? Seeing as that's there.
Oh, look at it. It's enticing, that is.
So we've got a glitter card. No, well, this is the Shimmer pack.
Oh,
so
my
you get
word.
a variety of glitter and shimmer card in here. Now, have a look on the website so you can see exactly which ones you are going to get.
Do you want to go up top now?
I will, because I'm going to drop these otherwise. Look at the colours. Check out the colours that you were going to get.
And I can touch these because the glitter doesn't come off as well. So if you're like me and you don't like it, you'd be fine with these.
And they die cut well as well.
Yeah, they are absolutely
And you've
lovely.
got your pearlescent. They are just staples. Absolute staples. I missed one there, a black.
So these are individual packs. So have a look on the website and you'll see exactly which pack you will get. So in the UK, you are going to get 12 packs for $19.99, and in the US, you are going to get 12 packs for $29.99. So you'll be able to see on the website exactly what ones you're going to get.
Amazing. Amazing. That's a bargain.
Yeah, and especially when it's cast off. It's your essential, isn't it? So
exactly.
when you can get it on a good deal is when you stock up.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I mean, I use pearlescent all year round. I use glitter, mainly special occasions.
Yes.
But pearlescent is a staple. It goes on everything.
Yeah, I'm the same. It's like Mary Card. You use it all the time, don't you?
Yeah, definitely.
So the next bundle we've got for you is our blend into a bundle. Now, I love this.
Lauren's at you with the brush, rubbing it on her hand.
Alex, give it to me. And I was like that. Just rubbing it.
Oh, they are so soft.
So soft. They are. They're like makeup brushes.
It is.
They are just so soft. Now, there's so much in here. So to start off with, we'll show you. You are going to get the covers, which are going to go on there. Can't see. So you're going to get 3 of these. So these are your blenders. So I use these with ink pads.
Yeah.
And then you've got these ones I really like because they're domed. Yeah, so you're not going to get, if you struggle blending and you get lines, that stops you getting that line. So because it's got that dome effect, there's no edge to give you a line when you're blending. So really nice one there to do your blending effects. Then this one is my favourite.
I love that.
I love the case.
You can that's your ombre effects for me.
It's amazing. And because of the case it comes in, is this open?
If it isn't, you can open it.
I'm opening it. I don't care about all that. So because of the case it comes in, you can see it stops the brush from going on the bottom of the case. So those bristles are always going to stay perfect. And this one, again, is super soft. Look at that. It is just so
It almost
soft.
looks like it's a sponge. It doesn't look like it's got any bristles. It looks
it makes me think of like a beard brush. Like I'm just going to have a shave.
We'll send you to the Turkish barber on the way home.
I just had one before I got you.
Oh, how rude of me. How rude.
I can't believe you didn't know yourself. So you're also going to get a different set. So these brushes are the same bristles as in the bigger one. But these now, think of using them with your stencils around the edges, doing blending effects, and you can see you've got different sizes in here. I have never seen one that small.
That's my favourite brush.
Is it?
Because, you know, when you've stamped or you've got stencils and you want to colour in the middle of something, that's a teeny tiny brush.
But you've got one there for everything, every type of one that you're going to do. You've got all of them. Now, you've also got I call these the Moomans.
The Moomans.
Moomans.
Oh!
That's what I call these. But these are going to be, again, for your blending with your inks. And they've got that dome on the bottom, so you're not going to get that edge when you were blending with them.
These also work with your mousses as well.
Oh, I haven't tried them with mousses.
Yeah. You know, if you find I'm not a brilliant girl with a palette knife and a stencil. I always find it bleeds underneath. If you use these, you don't get that bleed.
Oh, I've never tried them with that. Top tip, but
ting.
But don't you use these then with your mousse?
Occasionally,
you find that.
But I find these easier.
See, now I'd use these for my mousse, but I suppose everybody's different. It's
but
what
I think
you
you'll get a
easier.
different technique as well. This gets a very flat.
Oh, with this, you're going to get more of
You're going to get texture with that.
in it, yeah. So depending on what look you want to go for, you do different effects.
Because you could pounce with those as well.
Yes, to make a nice background.
Yeah.
And then similar effect you could do with these as well. Now, these are your bigger ones. Now, I do use these ones for my mousses.
Yeah.
Is what I use these for. But I love the fact they're double-ended as well.
I always keep one of those clean for gilding flakes.
Oh.
You know when you've put all your gilding flakes
and you
on?
get all the excess off.
Yeah. Brush it over with that at the end and all your excess is gone.
Another top tip. And then I need to get a set of these.
I am in love with these. Absolutely in love.
I really do need to get a set of these.
These are very soft. Each one of these is going to give you a different effect as well. That again, I like for an ombre effect.
Yeah, because they don't look it, but they are really, really soft.
They are.
When you feel them, they are really smooth. So you could use these for your inks as well. Use them for you could use these for pretty much anything that you wanted to use. But
you could even paint with them if you wanted to.
Do you know what I was thinking? Painting with them. But they are really,
you know, if you want to do
soft.
your big watercolour backgrounds, do your colour washes and things, they'd be perfect for those.
Oh, and especially if you do like scrapbooking or mixed media, because you've got the bigger brush, you can do a larger area.
Yeah.
That's really lovely. Okay, so check the website to see what you get included in your bundle, because they do vary between the UK and the US. But like I said, I would buy this just for them.
They are
I think
amazing.
It's amazing.
I love using them to do an ombre effect or a gradiated colour or just colour mixing.
Lovely.
Beautiful.
Well, thank you for joining us to see those bundles today. Don't forget to tag us in your makes and happy crafting.